Okay, so I decided that today would be a really good day to go ahead and, sorry I'm probably too close. Decided that today would be a real good day to give him a bath. He's never been in this bath rack or wash rack, and as far as I know he's never had a bath. So, I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'll walk him in and out a couple of times. Yeah, he seems fine. Okay, so the first thing I do is I get him introduced to the nozzle. So, hey, check it out. See, look at that. Yeah. Right. Okay, and to the hose, because this is going to also be moving around him. Look up here, see this? Okay, I want him to know that this is no biggie. It just moves around and no problem. Okay? Now, put this back. I'm not going to just start shooting him with water. I want to shoot the water over here so he can hear it. And he can see it hitting the wall. Yeah. Okay. Now he starts to see the water running down on the ground toward him, and it's a little scary to him. So now that there's water, I'm going to come over and I'm going to step in it. Okay. I'm going to show him that it's all right. Okay. Now I want him to come up here and see it too. Come on. It's all right. Come see it. Let him just take a look at it. Okay, run a little bit more water. Good boy. Okay, now I'm going to walk through this water. I want you to come up here too. I want you to look at it. Have a look. Yeah, come on. There we go. Okay. Alright. So now, I'm just going to up the ante, so it's going to come off of the wall now onto the ground. Good boy. Give him a break when he stands still. When he does good, now look at him licking. It's like, oh, okay, I understand, this is alright. Go again, from the wall to the floor. Good boy. Okay, so then he touched it. Give him a break. From the wall to the floor. And that right there is completely normal. Sometimes they'll even drink out of it. You can get it up on their lips. They'll even learn how to suck the water out of it. Okay, so that's no big deal. Now, some people just go straight to spraying the feet and the legs, so they think it's a good spot to start. I like to start at the shoulder by just rubbing him with the nozzle. Okay? And I'll do little circles like this right at the shoulder, and then put my block up, and then slowly start the water coming on. Okay, so now he can feel the water touching him instead of the nozzle. Good boy. And good. Let's do that again. Nozzle first. Water. There we go. So start with the shoulder. Work your way back, down his back a little bit. Come back to the shoulder. To his back. Back to the shoulder. To his back a little further. To the shoulder. Okay? Now I'm just starting to make this a bigger area. Bigger circle. So now it's starting to get further down his barrel and down to his elbow. Okay? Now we're getting toward his flank and his stomach and his girth. Good. He stood still, real nice. I want to give him a second to process that. Do that again. Same thing. Nozzle, water. Here's that. Shoulder. A little bit bigger. Shoulder. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Okay? Now I can start doing lines. Keep your head up here. Okay? There it is. And I'll start getting to his rump a little bit. There. Keep his head off of you, but toward you. Come to his neck and his chest. Okay? The legs are actually the more sensitive area for the water, so that's why I do them last. So we'll start here and we'll work our way down that front leg. There we are. Work our way down the back leg. There we go. Work our way up to the girth, between and underneath. And here's the spot that gets pretty upsetting to him. Get that other back leg, get the other front leg. There. He's licking right now, so I have to stop. Good boy. Good. Good. Yes. That's it. Alright, so I want to get a little bit further on his butt, so I'm going to do one more time and get further down his butt. Kind of back toward his tail. There it is. Good. Good. Good boy. Okay, now we got to do the other side. Same process. Alright, let's have Hanson come over here now. Over here. Come on. And just like that. Now he sees this drain and the water, the standing water here, and this to him is scary. So I want him to know it's okay, so I'm going to stand in it. Come on over. There. Now you're thinking. There it is. Look at that. See, these things are new and scary to him, so you got to let him have a chance to get curious and investigate. Okay, same thing. On the wall. To the floor. Okay, to his shoulder, rubbing the nozzle. Start the water. Small circle. To his back. To his shoulder. Back. Shoulder. Bigger circles. There we go. Good boy. Now we can do lines. And he's licking right there, so I have to stop. Good boy. Good. Good. Okay, we'll start again. Little circles. Shoulder. The back. Shoulder. Bigger circles. Bigger circles. Now we can do lines. Good boy. Good. Turn the butt a little bit. Work our way down on his stomach, down his leg, between other leg, up underneath the back leg. Further on the back behind by his tail. Down his neck and chest. And Hanson has had his first bath. Okay? Now be careful coming out of here because you know he's afraid of that puddle. And sometimes they'll jump right over. Sometimes they'll just jump right over the puddle. So just be careful and watch where you're going. Take it back in. I want him to know that this puddle is no big deal. Come on, let me go. There we go. Alright, so let's see if he'll go ahead and look at the puddle and maybe even step in it. Boy. Come on. There's a foot in the puddle. Good. Let's walk this way. Okay. Nice and tight. That's what's going to make his feet just accidentally get in there. There. That's all right. There it is. Good boy. Good boy. And you walk through the puddle. And you walk through the puddle. That's good. And here. See, I'm trying to get him to accidentally turn tight enough to get his foot in it. And I've already done it. He's had his foot in it a couple of times on accident. There. That's right on the drain. Let's get the puddle there. There's a foot in the puddle. There's another foot in the puddle. So there's 2 feet in the puddle. And that's no big deal. There's a back foot in the puddle. Okay? So, take your time doing this stuff. It's really important to make the first experience really good so that they experience all of it. The puddles on the ground, the water trickling down from the wall to the drain, across the floor. Looks like a snake going, into the drain. Let them experience all of that stuff. It's really, really good for them. So that is Hanson's day. He's all finished. I'm going to scrape off the water and then we're going to walk around a little bit. So we'll see you next time.